Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers. Today we're going to go over a couple of desktop computers that we have over here. We got, let's see, about 6 of them sitting over here. They're business class machines. They run anywhere from the i5 processor to the i3 processor. They all have 8 gigs of RAM. They all have around 500 to 1 terabyte hard drives. These are perfect for workstations at your business. So if you have employees that need a brand new machine, come by here. We'll definitely hook it up, make sure it's really nice, and make sure it's running real smooth for you. It runs perfectly for doing, Office, as well as, QuickBooks, stuff like that. Any kind of, normal activities that you would normally use for your workstations. We definitely would be able to work on all these machines here. We actually have this microform Dell Optiplex 3050. It's pretty small, but it's handy because it's really portable. You can put it anywhere you want. So we also have some Lenovo's, which are really good for whenever you have to do warranty work. They're very precise and they do a very good job as far as getting things back and within an orderly fashion. So as well as all of these have 3-year warranties with them. So if you're having any problems or anything like that, we'll definitely take care of it for you. So if you have any business needs or you need a business computer, come visit us at Impress Computers. Number to reach us at is 281-647-9977. Thank you.